na ito gagamitin. Para dito lang talaga.
Everything you wanted, blowing in the hurricane. Right back where you started, staring at the stars and hoping that they call your name. 'Cause every time we come together, holding on for better weather, the circuits in our hearts collide when I got you by my side. We get by, we always do. Running through the fire like it's win or lose, do or die. It's me and you. Always stay together.
Pwede pa po pangalawa? Tatry ko po ulit.
We do. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Always stay together, yeah, you know it's just the way that we do. Running through the moonlight, looking for a new life, holding out for something new. Passing every street sign, praying. If I had this you, if I had this you, if I had this.
Kaming mga ninongs at saka ninangs nyo, nandito lang para magbigay ng suporta sa inyo.
Hindi nila kami biligaw bilang mga magulang kasi yun ang gusto namin, makatapos sila ng pag-aaral. Pero yung sinukli nila sa amin talagang tiwala at saka respeto.
Pinapangako ko na aalalahanin ko ang araw na ito at ipapaalala ko lahat sa'yo tuwing susubukan tayo ng panahon.
I came in this world with nothing. I'll leave with nothing but you.
Yung tutumbasan ko rin yung pagmamahal mo. Hindi kita pagpapalit kahit kanino. Ikaw lang yung nasa puso ko, alam mo yan.
Nothing but you. I came in this world with nothing. I'll leave with nothing.
Kahit tumanda pa tayo, di mo babago yun. Sigurado.
I came in this world with nothing. I'll leave with nothing but you. I came in this world with nothing. I'll leave with nothing but you. If all I have is
Kahit 12 years na sila si Paulo, parang parati silang bago. Napaka-sweet po ni Paulo kay Shana. Alam niyo maraming trials, maraming pagsubok, pagdadaanan niya. Kailangan lang nasa center na si Lord. Huwag niyo kakalimutan kami. Pag may problema kayo, lumapit kayo sa amin. Huwag niyo sasarulihin.
At kapag ina-affirm ninyo ang goodness ng isa't isa, that will keep your relationship intact because you believe in the goodness of your spouse.
You are worth the